I have very fond memories of speed school. It taught me how to use logic and facts and data to solve problems, but also working together as a team. No one has all the answers. Graduated from speed school in 1987. The co-op program led to my first job offer. I accepted another role with a company called Sunoco. It's a global packaging company. So a total of 12 years with Sunoco. Made the move to the spirits industry. Then I got contacted about a role back in Louisville, Beam Suntory. Did that until 2018, and then I got a call from Domino's, and that's where I've been the last 4 years as the VP of Quality and Food Safety for Domino's. So wildly different than what I imagined when I graduated from speed school, but have no regrets. It's been great. I've been back and forth to Louisville over my 35-year career. It just does me proud to see all the progress that the University of Louisville and Speed School continues to make. I think a couple words of advice for existing engineering students: don't give up. It's okay to fail. Try to keep pushing the engineering discipline higher, but I would say do so in a responsible way. Be collaborative, and then be transparent. You know what you know, reach out for help, work hard, and good things will happen.